Hey guys, so I want to show you how to set up a URL trigger in this so your Facebook bot will send a message to a website visitor based on a web page that they visit. Okay guys, so let's jump right into it. So what we've done so far is we've set up the checkbox triggers, we've set up different tracking rules based on if someone purchases or if someone just adds it to cart and then abandons their cart. We've set up segmentation sequences so all the right messages are going to all the right people. What I want to do now is show you how to trigger a message when a subscriber just shows up to any page on your website. So what I want to do is go into the Shopify store here, and I'm just going to go into awesome product number 2. We haven't done anything yet with this one, so what I want to do is use this as the example. So what I'm going to do is go into the awesome product number 2 sequence, add a URL trigger. Okay, so I'm going to call this page view awesome product number 2, and I've tested it with URL contains any of the following. It's not working for me that well. So what I'm going to do is type in the full URL. So I'm going to go view this and then type in the entire URL. Okay, hit save. And then what I'm going to do is I've already set up some messages in here when I was testing it. And so the message just says it worked, and then it says great, that's awesome, and then that goes to an emoji, just so you can see what's on here. And then I want to keep a subscriber in the sequence, so I added a tag for 5 days. It says page view. What I would do typically is I would add this like immediately, and then if they did something else like added it to their cart or purchased it, it would remove this tag, and I can show you that later. So this is just keeping us in the sequence. So what I'm going to do now, make sure I remove myself from that sequence, is I want to view this product. So what I'm going to do is go into the store. I'm going to go back so we can start just on the home page here of the Shopify store. Then I'm going to click catalog, and then oh, this seems pretty cool. I'm going to click on this, and then I get a message trigger. So you'll notice that there's no checkbox, there's nothing here. I just landed on the URL, and it sends me a message. It worked, great, that's awesome, and then an emoji. So that is pretty much all there is to setting up a URL trigger. In the next video, what I want to show you is how to set some rules up and segment some people so that a URL trigger doesn't send them a message if they've purchased the product that they're viewing. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, that's all for the URL triggers. In the next video, I want to show you how to get a little more advanced and set up some rules so that we don't send messages to people who've already purchased a product that they are looking at.